It's called I Still Do.
1, 2, 3.
Darn the many happy years that passed away since you and I were tiny little boy and girl playing beneath the summer sky. Do you recall the day I was old enough to say, I love you, dear, I want you near, and I still do. Here's a story I would tell, it's how I loved a little gal, was just a lad still, knew that it was true because I was proud to say that I loved a little girl like you, and I still do. Darling, close your weary eyes and let me take you by the hand and straightway lead you through the past back to happy childhood lands. For there we'll live again just the same as we did then, among the flowers we claimed as ours, and we